This is Sujay Portable Dehumidifier model SDH30. The moisture extraction capacity of this dehumidifier at 30 degrees Celsius and 80% relative humidity is 30 liters per day. This is the transparent water tank where the moisture in form of water gets collected during the operation of the dehumidifier. It is equipped with caster wheels so you can rotate it or move it from one place to another. This is the back side of the dehumidifier. It has got a handle to push, pull or lift the dehumidifier. This is the air inlet from where humid air gets sucked inside the dehumidifier for dehumidification. There is a filter given here which helps to remove dust and other impurities in the air. This filter can be cleaned and washed under the tap and reinserted back as part of regular maintenance. This is the RH sensor which senses the room humidity and helps control the operation of this dehumidifier. We will reinsert the filter back in its position. This is the continuous drainage port. If you do not wish to use the tank and would want water to continually drain out of the dehumidifier, you can just attach a flexible pipe over here and allow water to flow by gravity. If you wish to use the tank, then this outlet has to remain closed. Now we will see the control panel of the dehumidifier. This is the control panel of the dehumidifier. This is the air outlet for dehumidified air to come out. When we provide 230 volt single phase AC power supply to the dehumidifier, this display will come on and this flap will open automatically. However, the dehumidifier is still not on. In order to switch it on, we have to press the power button. In order to set the humidity, we use these plus minus buttons to set it to the required level. For human comfort, we can set it anywhere between 45 to 55%. So we will set it to 50. This value will blink for a couple of times. That means that value is set and it will again show the room's current humidity. In order to change the fan speed, you can press this button to change the speed between high and low. In order to set the timer in terms of number of hours, press the timer button and use the plus minus arrows to set the timer anywhere between 0 to 24 hours. The fan swing can be set between auto and manual using this button. Currently, the swing is automatic. In order to set it to a particular position, you just press this button at the desired position. Because I've pressed this button, now the swing has stopped. In order to resume the swing, I can press this button again. During the operation of the dehumidifier, the water will start collecting in the tank, and if the tank gets full, this tank full symbol will come on and the dehumidifier will cut off automatically. This is a safety feature provided. In order to switch the dehumidifier off, you can press the power button again so that the flap closes, the display is on, and then turn off the main power.